have to take a little video because Uncle Phil thinks you look like a cranky little thing. Hey, Holly? She's not cranky. Is she, Chloe? Chloe, she's not cranky, is she? Oh, Chloe's a good girl. And then there's little Holly. Holly wags her tail. She's got itchies because she had surgery, so she's all itchy. Oh, better not go for the bone because then one of these guys, there's Quincy on his bed. Hi, Holly. That's a good girl. You look a little timid right now. Well, if you get too close, I won't be able to have you in the video. Right, Chloe? I'll just show you that it's me here. It's me here. We just had our lunch. Well, I did anyway. And little skinny girl here, she hasn't eaten anything. Well, she eats peanut butter on toast. She likes peanut butter on toast, but she's not liking the dog food. And I got special food for her today, and she looked at it as if to say, I don't eat dog food. I eat people food. I want you to make me something good. Some good people foods. Watch her walk over there, a little rag.